look promising. Wow.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of VBuilds. In this episode, I am going to restore my scooter. This is like around 5 years old, and you see the plastic has gone very rough because it has been used very roughly in the sun. So that's why you see it looks so bad. But I will be converting everything to this shade, right? To do this, we'll be using the torch, blazing torch that I got, blazing torch, and I got it for 180 rupees, and online you might find it for 350 or something. So I got it cheaper offline, so I got this. Now I'll be using this to repair our, this is the cylinder. Let me show you how to fix it.
So this is our butane cylinder and it comes sealed. So just take off the seal and now this blowtorch, you can install it simply on the cylinder. You don't need anything else. There's a notch on the cylinder where you need to put the notch on the torch as well, but make sure it is turned off because before you put it on the cylinder, otherwise it might start leaking. Let me just put it on. Oh crap, this is on. So I have to turn it off first. Now it's off. Now let's install it. So this is what happens if you keep it on and install it. So now it's ready. Let's light it up
देखो ये चल गया
and to the scooter. Let's go. Right, here is our scooter. Look at the condition right now. It's all scratchy and the plastic looks white and also let's light that up again. It's a bit difficult to control it on low flame because if I keep it too low it just turns off, but I got the hang of it after some time and initially the results look promising. Wow. Yeah, you need to be careful since it's a petrol vehicle obviously, and some plastics which are very light, they might just catch fire, so be careful while doing it. And yeah, interestingly I can already see the results and it looks pretty good, so I'll do one half and then we can wait and compare and see how it looks before and after a little bit, and then we'll do the whole thing. Check this out, look at this. It looks so nice on the right side where we did the flaming, but on the left side is how it used to look before. There's a huge difference. I wouldn't say it looks absolutely new, but it definitely looks better, and it's quite it seems like it is a bit wet and it is drying in some areas slowly. So you might see the complete thing after it has dried properly, but it's better, definitely better. And now let's finish the rest of it quickly. Here I should definitely give you a disclaimer. Since it is a petrol vehicle, you should probably do it when you don't have any petrol in the bike. uh, I don't know what is the other safe way, if you can remove the petrol somehow, I don't know, but yeah, just be very careful while doing it because the petrol gas, as you call it, is very highly flammable, as you know it. So yeah, the handle is complete and now I am working on the uh, on the front dashboard. I don't know what they call it, but yeah, I'm definitely very careful. In between it is throwing some flames at me and I am definitely careful to just pull it out as soon as it does that. Okay, I feel like you can do this using a heat gun as well, and that would be more safer, but this is definitely quicker than a heat gun because heat gun, it might take a lot of time to do it. Yep. Getting the corners is quite tricky, but yeah, I won't be there's a lot of plastic below the seat as well, but I won't be covering that because it is too close to the petrol tank and I don't want to risk burning my scooter. I'll just rather keep it this way. Yeah, if you want to do it, I suggest you remove this trim, whichever you want to do, and then do it. Right. And just like that, we are almost done. I'll wait for it for some time for it to dry. Let's see. Check this out, the scooter has dried and this is how it look the meter, you ignore the meter. We did not remove the polythene earlier, and now it looks so bad. That's why they say you should remove the polythene as soon as you bring in the scooter. So I got it out in light, and I parked it the wrong way, but anyways, you can see it definitely looks way better than before. One thing is that you should try to use a wide flame if possible, because if it is too narrow, you can see the wavy pattern the way you did it. So yeah, that's one concern. So I can see some waves, but it definitely works and is improves the look of your scooter. So see you in the next one. Hope you like this video. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. If you like this video, please consider subscribing.